At Ascend, we know the world is changing fast. The energy transition and the reduction of carbon dioxide emissions are now urgent priorities. As environmental awareness grows, we are faced with the challenge of creating new financial frameworks and adopting a new business model mindset that supports sustainable change. This is especially vital for positive clean energy districts. By 2050, nearly 80% of the global population will live in cities, making sustainable and affordable urban living one of our greatest challenges. To support cities in this mission, Ascend runs a series of business model workshops. These workshops help local partners design scalable and sustainable business models using the PCED Business Model Assembler, a card game and digital tool that helps cities combine proven patterns, test ideas, and validate new approaches. The assembler is built around 4 key questions. Who are your customers? What value do you provide? How do you deliver it? And why does it create impact? The first round of workshops focused on energy communities in Lyon and Porto. In Lyon, the goal was to ensure that energy communities share in the value created by the PCED, maintain stable electricity prices, and strengthen local commitment. Lyon's model, which targets inhabitants and companies in the Confluence area, was implemented and designed by SPL Lyon Confluence. Real estate developers install photovoltaic systems, which are later purchased and operated by SPL Lyon Confluence. The energy is distributed amongst community members through Enedis and sold locally at prices lower than conventional suppliers. In Porto, the focus was on reducing energy costs, tackling energy poverty, boosting local renewable generation, and promoting energy literacy. The community includes social housing tenants, municipal buildings and schools, developed with municipal partners and voluntary citizen participation. The model reflects Porto's commitment to inclusion and sustainability. Its revenue model is based on energy savings, grid fee reductions, and energy sales to social housing tenants. After energy communities, the workshop series moved on to explore citizen participation in Munich and Stockholm. In Munich, the tenant energy model allows residents to actively join the energy transition, reducing both energy costs and carbon dioxide emissions for tenants and building owners. A district energy council was formed to anchor the long-term goals of the Ascend project in Harthof, helping residents organize, share ideas, and take local action on energy, sustainability, mobility, and green spaces. The benefits are both social and environmental: stronger community ties, awareness of energy use, and improved urban life. The revenue model is based on tenant electricity consumption, feed-in tariffs, and a tenant electricity bonus. For the city of Stockholm, the workshop delved into the citizen-driven energy community. The energy community connects housing associations, local businesses, and community organizations across 4 districts. Activities include joint procurement, energy sharing, and knowledge exchange, supported by the city through engagement and funding opportunities. The revenue model focuses on energy efficiency, renewable generation, and reduced energy purchasing, while exploring new financing tools such as climate funds, crowdfunding, and philanthropic investment. The third round of workshops addressed PCED affordability in Prague and Budapest. In Prague, the beneficiaries of the PCED are the City of Prague and tenants. There are currently no national or municipal initiatives directly addressing PCED issues, so ASCEND's support is filling a crucial gap. Efforts within the PCED focus on energy solutions in heritage-protected buildings and optimizing public lighting systems. Affordable housing also remains a major issue, especially for public employees seeking reasonably priced homes. In Budapest, the focus is also on affordable and sustainable housing. The project tackles energy poverty, accessibility, and healthy living conditions, aiming to provide low and middle-income households with energy-efficient housing at below-market prices. The goal is to reduce urban outmigration, prevent housing loss, and to address diverse social needs. The pilot project includes retrofitting an old school building into nearly zero-energy housing, with 45 to 50 co-housing apartments, shared spaces, and barrier-free access. The Budapest Waterworks contributes with an innovative heat exchange system, and the project promotes non-profit operation, energy-saving technologies, and e-mobility solutions. Budapest is also exploring technical assistance to develop alternative financing scenarios, including commercial bank partnerships, EU loans, third-party investments, and combinations of funds and grants for scaling up. The Ascend Business Model workshops have helped cities rethink how to create, deliver, and sustain value in the energy transition. From energy communities and citizen participation to housing affordability, each model shows that innovation, collaboration, and local empowerment are essential to building positive clean energy districts.